Guys, today is the Valentine's Day, and my wife, she didn't know that I'm giving a surprise. I put here at the back that red rose. You see, guys. Sorry, guys. Put here. I put here under the pillow, so that when my wife come back here, he sat here. Then I will just great and happy Valentine's Day with a rose at her back. But she didn't know. This is my first time to do these things. So just to surprise. I don't know what his reaction. So just keep here this camera here like this, and sit down here like this. Now we will greet. I will greet her happy Valentine's. But as of now, she's preparing for me a puppy, you know. When she come back, I will tell her to sit down here. She's coming.
May pali ang masubi ka timpla ko gamay.
Lingkod sa dere. Lingkod sa ba? Lingkod sa. Nako, isulti mo. Sit down. I have something to tell you.
Yun mong tanong eh.
Thank you for your coffee.
Matagak na di man yan po.
Wait. Happy Valentine's. Sumang dere, sumang.
Gamay yan po ang gabi mo din.
Happy Valentine's.
Valentine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Gasto.
100 to 100.
Uy, ano kamahal po ani uy?
Siyempre,
100.
my heart and my love is priceless, you know. I
Hindi
love
man naman
you.
palit yun. Aming kwarta. Gurong.
Success.